Yes, YouTube, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be replacing the diverter valve on the Mini Cooper S R56. So probably got about 2 or 3 more videos on things that I need to replace, then we're going to get into modification process 100%. This is what we are going to be replacing on the Mini Cooper. So this is the diverter valve. This is what we are going to be replacing today. Let's get cracking. Alright people, so there you have it, air diverter valve replaced and fitted on the Cooper S. So that's it for this video guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff, and we'll catch you up on the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe.